Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the maintenance of your ASUS A614 JVR system, ensuring that you not only keep it running smoothly, but also maintain your warranty status. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Begin by powering down your device and unplugging it from the mains. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Here you can see the cooling fans, the hard drive, and the RAM slots. It's advisable to use the compressed air to gently clean out any dust that may have accumulated. Dust can significantly affect the performance of your system, so regular cleaning is essential. If you find this process daunting, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assist you in ensuring your system is in top condition without any pressure to commit to repairs. Next, let's check the RAM. If you wish to upgrade or replace it, gently release the clips on either side of the RAM slots. Carefully remove the old RAM and insert the new one, ensuring it clicks into place. This is a straightforward process, but if you're unsure, our collection and delivery at your home service can make it easier for you. We can pick up your device, perform the necessary upgrades, and return it to you without any hassle. Now let's turn our attention to the hard drive. If you're experiencing slow performance, it might be time to consider an upgrade. Again, remove the screws holding the hard drive in place and gently slide it out. If you're replacing it, ensure that the new drive is compatible with your system. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get professional help. After you've completed any upgrades or cleaning, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement. Before powering on your device, double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools are left inside the casing. Once you're satisfied, plug your device back in and power it on. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before any work is carried out. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your device's maintenance. In conclusion, maintaining your ASUS A614 JVR system is crucial for its longevity and performance. Regular cleaning and timely upgrades can prevent many common issues. Remember, whether you choose to tackle this yourself or seek professional help, we're here to support you every step of the way. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.